Did you know that you could turn this pre-cooked tube of polenta into the creamiest of polenta to serve with delicious Italian meatballs? So let's get started. For the meatballs, we have our ground beef in a large bowl, and to that I'll add the panko crumbs, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and an egg. I'm also going to add a quarter of a red onion that I've finely chopped, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and some herbs. Here I have some dry oregano and basil, or you can use fresh if you'd like. And last but not least, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of pre-made pasta sauce to add extra flavor and moistness to the meatball. Now, before I get my hands in the meat mixture and start mixing the meatballs, I always like to make sure that I have a bowl of water so I can dip my fingers in, and I also have a baking tray with parchment paper, and my oven is preset to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I can mix my meatball mixture until it's all nice and smooth. And I'm going to be making a little bit of a larger meatball, so I'm going to try to get 16 meatballs out of this meat mixture. Gently bring the meat mixture together with your fingers so that they're nice and light, and then place them on the tray. And once my meatballs are shaped, I'm going to place them in the oven, and while they're cooking, we'll prepare the polenta. Now for the pre-cooked polenta, take it out of the package, cut it into thin slices, and then into strips, and then turn it around, and then you can cut cute little cubes of cooked polenta. Then you want to transfer all the cubes of polenta to your saucepan. And to the cubes of polenta, we'll add 2 cups of broth. You can use chicken, vegetable, beef, whatever you have on hand. And we'll also add a tablespoon of olive oil. Place your saucepan on medium heat, and with a whisk, we'll just start to break it down. So just keep stirring and mashing it with your whisk until smooth. And once the polenta has become smooth and thick, we're going to turn off the heat and add 3/4 cups of grated Parmesan. Whisk it in right away and it'll become super smooth. My meatballs are perfectly cooked, so I'm going to set them aside and heat up some pre-made pasta sauce to coat them before placing them on the polenta. So I'm going to pour a couple cups of pre-made pasta sauce into a large skillet, and once it comes to a simmer, I'm going to add my meatballs. Gently move the meatballs in the sauce, make sure that they're nice and coated, and once the sauce is warmed up, we're ready to serve. Ladle some of the creamy polenta on the bottom of a bowl or plate, and then place your desired amount of meatballs with sauce on top of the polenta. Grate some extra Parmesan cheese on top and garnish with fresh parsley. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.